Algebraic fractions, fractions that involve the numerator, and algebraic fractions in the numerator and or on the denominator. These are types of the algebraic fractions that you can see in front of you. So to add and subtract algebraic fractions, we need to make them the same denominator. So this one multiplied by 3x, and the other one multiplied by x plus 1. Then they have the same denominator, so write down 2x plus 1 in bracket over 3x, x plus 1. 3 times 3 is 9x over this. Like that. Yep. Like a person. Okay, alright. Let's move on.
That's not what I meant. I meant like pieces of student work.
Continuing, so now they have the same denominator. Now you can expand the numerator. So you go 2 times x is 2x, plus 2 times 1 is 2, plus 9x. Yes? Collect 2x plus 1. So 2 times x, 2 times 1, which is 11x plus 2. That's how we make them the same denominator. Does that make sense? Alright, well, not get busy, have a look at the beginning bit. Alright, write it down. Thank you. Now this one, how do you make the same denominator? Multiply by 4, 5, and the other one by 3, yes. So make sure you use the bracket over 15 minus 5 bracket over 15. Does that make sense? So now they have the same denominator. You write 15, 3 bracket a plus 1, minus 5, 2a minus 1. And you need to expand. Going. All right.
So you should move here, but that's what you
3a plus 3 minus 10a, and then double minus is plus. So the answer is 13a plus 8 over 15. Minus 7. Oh, oops. Sorry. That's very good. Negative 7. Well done. All right, thank you. It's all on there. Yeah, 3 minus 10 is negative 7. Yep, all got it. Let's continue. Okay, now what we're going to do is, how do we multiply fractions? To multiply fractions, we cancel anything that are the same on the top with the thing at the bottom. See, they're the same. And the x plus 7 and the x plus 7 are the same. So anything at the bottom cancels the stuff on the top. And what's the leftover? The leftover is, if there's nothing left over on the top, you put a 1. Anything at the bottom, it stays at the bottom. Does that make sense? Yep. All right. Yeah, so see the x plus 5, cancel with the x plus 5. X plus 7, cancel with the x plus 7. Continuing on, what if you do divide? No, you can expand, it's not necessary. Alright, when you divide, what would you do? Yeah, no, that's for, you have to reciprocal. Alright, when you divide, change the times, change that to reciprocal. Does that make sense? You get it? Why is it 3 on? X squared plus 9, x squared minus 9? Yeah, that was the question. Alright, let's factorize. Excuse me. Alright, 3 over x minus 3, x plus 3, the top. 2 bracket x plus 3 over 15. And then you start cancelling. X plus 3 cancels. 15 cancels the 3, which is 5. And then you do equals to 2 over 5 x minus 3.
It's like, sir, can you just like flip it without any repercussions whatsoever?
Now you flip this one, see the divide, you flip the fraction when you divide.
Okay, that's epic.
And then you cancel, but before you cancel, make sure you factorize. Anything that are the same gets cancelled. And then these two cancels, right? These two. So that becomes 1, that becomes 5. Okay. All right, I'm going to stop this one. When you divide 3 by 3, you get 1. Divide 15 by 3, you get 5.
So why is it purple?
So we know these two cancel. The red cancel with the red, purple with the purple.
Okay.
Yep. Got it? Okay. One more. Next question. The y cancel with the y. The 21 cancel with the 14. Divide 21 by 7, you get 3. Divide 14 by 7, you get 2. Does that make sense? And then the 15 is divide 5 by 5 is 1. Divide 15 by 5 is 3. So the answer will be 9z over 2x. Does that make sense? Yep. Yeah, that's a simple one. Yeah.
That's a simple one?
Yep.
What the hell?
Okay, good. Let's continue. Yep.
No.
Now, I haven't even finished. We've been spending the whole lesson.
Yeah, can I get my phone?
Hang on.
So you should really buy a case of food. Yes, sir. Put yourself out here. Oh, God.
Okay, let's continue. All right, continuing.
You're not sad.
Equation involving algebraic fractions. Let's continue. All right, so equation involving algebraic fractions. So you make a common denominator, multiply by 2, multiply by 2, multiply this by 5. Yes. So you get 10x minus, actually we'll keep it closed, 5 multiply 2x minus 3 over 10. So times top and bottom by 5 minus 6 over 10 equal 2 bracket x plus 3 over 10. And then you get rid of it by multiplying everything by 10. Right? That will cancel. That will cancel. And you end up getting 5 in bracket 2x minus 3 minus 6 equals to that. Does that make sense? And then expand, collect like terms. Yes? Very good. Alright, let's continue. So you get 10x minus 15 minus 6 equals to 2x plus 6. I expanded the bracket. Collecting like terms. 10x minus 21 equal to 2x plus 6. Then what we do is subtract both sides by 2x, you get 8x. Yep. And then you add the, yeah, no, I've saw that. Yep. Divide plus both sides by 21, then divide both sides by 8. Come on.
Don't tell him, sir. He won't be here for very long.
Okay, that's done. Summary. Thank you.
So where did 21 come from?
21 because 15, negative 15 minus 6 is negative 21. Thank you.